In this video, I will show you how to remove a family link from a Google account in your laptop. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to Google and go ahead and type Google Families into the search box. Next, what you want to do is click onto the top result, which is families.google/families, and that's going to take you across to the page like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is click onto Get Started. And as you can see, here is my current family group. So you can see this is the family manager, and this is the one down here where it says supervised member, which is the one that's got the family link on it. So if we actually go ahead and click onto this profile, you're going to be taken to a screen like this. Now from here, if you click onto the Learn More link up here, this is going to open up a help section on the right hand side. And what you're going to want to do to actually remove the family link is if you actually scroll down, and underneath this section where it says remove someone from your family group, you want to click onto the bottom one here which says remove a supervised child from your family group. So according to Google, to remove a supervised child from the family group, what you must do is delete their Google account if they are under 13 and you created a Google account for them. And you must remove their account if you created their Google account when they were under 13 and you have provided consent for their continued use of their Google account. So to actually remove the family link, what you got to do is actually go ahead and delete their account. So to go ahead and do this, it's very easy. What you want to do is just come out of the help section and press this back arrow on here. And then what you want to do is come down to the family sharing section down here and click onto family link. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and sign in by clicking the sign in button in the top right hand corner. And this way you can come to actually delete their account. So what you want to do from here is click onto account settings, which is this option here, and then go ahead and click onto account info at the very top. Now all you need to do is just scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll see the delete account and data option down here. Go ahead and give that a click. Now what you need to do is actually remove this account from any Android devices or Chrome OS devices before deleting the account, otherwise the devices may become unusable. So make sure you go ahead and do this first of all. If you want to learn how to do that, you can click the link here to learn how to remove accounts. So what you want to do is come down and click these three boxes. So you just want to tick these three boxes to basically agree to these terms down here. And once that's done, go ahead and press the delete account button. So what that's going to do in turn, that at the moment is a way of how to remove a family link from a Google account. I hope this tutorial did help you out. If it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.